Well, good morning, everybody. It's me, it's Simply Mona, and I'm here to record my breakfast video with you all. Let's have a little breakfast. Okay, so as you see, I am going to have some bacon. If you do not like bacon, turn your head. If you like bacon, keep looking. So what we're going to do is we're going to save that bacon grease, baby, because you don't ever know what you can do with it. All right, so we going to go ahead and start making our pancake mix. You can make it from scratch, or you could do what I do and use Bisquick. This is not a sponsored video, but I do use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 cup of the powder into my bowl. Use a measuring cup so you can get, as close to the right amount as needed. I like covering things up because I'm clumsy. I'll spill it. All right, we're going to use an egg, room temperature preferred. So I had it already ready. I'm not going to put it right directly into my batter mix just in case it's a spoiled egg. I took a look at it. Everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and add that. Any egg of your choice, brown, white, whatever you have. Now I am going to use just a smidgen of vanilla. Dip, dip, doop. So now after that, I am going to use vitamin D, whole milk, because that's what I have. And I'm going to use a 1/2 cup. So I end up putting just a tad bit more because I did not fill it all the way up. I like a certain consistency in my batter. So you're going to give that a good stir. Once you stir and get the consistency you're looking for, I like mine to look like a little bit on the thin side. So I just continue to stir. So now I'm going to show you how my consistency is for me. And that's it. That's it. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead and use that same measuring cup because ain't nobody trying to be washing all them dishes. And we're going to add a little butter to the pan, a non-stick pan preferred. And you're going to go ahead and start out with that first pancake. So what happens is once you get ready to flip, your pancake should look like this. It should have the breathable holes. That's what I'm calling it. Breathable holes. And then you flip it over. And then that means that it's ready to be flipped on the opposite side. So you go ahead and thoroughly cook that pancake. So now we're going to remove it. I'm going to give y'all a show. That look good to me. And we're going to go ahead and repeat the process for how many pancakes you would like. Get it all in there. Okay. So now all the pancakes are done. I went with 3. I'll put a little sugar on there. This is a powdered sugar. You could top yours with whatever you like. Fruit, cream cheese, whatever. I had 3 pancakes and 3 pieces of bacon. I prefer maple syrup. Use the syrup of your choice. Put a little bit on there like that. And there you go. My breakfast. 3 pancakes, 3 pieces of bacon. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I am so grateful for everyone that watches. I'll see you on the next video. And I'm just out here trusting God. All right, see y'all later. Oh, I couldn't eat it all. So what I wanted to do is just show y'all that. So I'll put that in the microwave because I will munch on it later. If you got that, you know what I meant. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and see you later. Like, comment, and subscribe. And guess what? I love y'all. Bye.